We divide 942 by 6 in a long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 34. 6 times 5 is 30. On subtracting, we get 4. So now this 4 is less than 6. So we put down this 2 and it is 42. 6 times 7 is 42. On subtracting, we get 0. So 942 divided by 6 is 157. So this much for today and thanks for watching.